Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a few things about my 2013 Honda Civic Si that I think Honda cheaped out on and should have been better, but unfortunately it's not. So the number one thing that bugs the out of me about my Honda is the front doors. When you lock the door and the window goes all the way up and it jams up over here, this whole panel comes out. So right now the window is slightly open. Now I'm gonna push the up button on the window, and when it rolls up all the way, this whole panel is gonna come out about 1/4 of an inch. And guys, just to be clear, both of the doors do this. That is so bad. Watch this. Now, I don't know why Honda made this so giant, but if you can see the circle where the arrow for the tachometer joins to where it actually starts moving it, look how big that is. That is the biggest circle. That's about over an inch in diameter. And I never really noticed this until today when the sun was shining on it, but I just think it's super awesome. Another thing, which is not really that big of a deal, but it does bother me, is this car has Bluetooth, which means you can connect your phone to it, obviously. And whenever you get a text message, it displays it on this screen right here. However, in order to interact with the message, where you could press either to read the message or not, you have to use this knob right here. And I think that's really weird, considering the fact that most cars, it's integrated into the steering wheel somewhere, so you don't have to reach all the way over here. Another thing that is slightly annoying is the fact that on the knob where you turn on the headlights, just the order in which they place the auto versus the headlights to turn on is kind of weird in my opinion. So right now they have it like this, to where this is off, and then this is the parking lights, and then auto, and then headlights, which I think would have made more sense if the auto was the last option and the headlights was where the auto is. So guys, the last thing that really pissed me off about this Civic is the fact that there's no temperature gauge. There's no temperature gauge here, and there's no temperature gauge here. However, instead of getting a temperature gauge, you get this CIVIC logo. Yeah, so that's great. But guys, at the end of the day, I really like this car. Honestly, I think it's one of my favorite cars that I've owned between the 13 Jetta GLI. I had a 17 Dodge Challenger, which was really nice. I really love the interior in that thing. All the Volkswagens that I've owned, all the Mark IVs, I wouldn't put this higher than my STI, but I think for a daily driver, you can't really get much better than this. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you have any comments, please comment below. If you have any problems with your Civic that I haven't mentioned here, let me know, and because I'd love to see what they are, considering the fact that I own one and I drive one every day. And yeah guys, thank you so much. See ya. Just to be clear, I think the Civic is a very good daily driver. It gets good gas mileage, it's decently fast, I guess. I mean, it is what it is, it's enough. And I mean, it's just overall a very good car, at least in my opinion.